When you're taking on any character, do you take on? Do you dress in the clothes of that character, or do you then try and get in under the skin of that character? Which way does it go for you?
I suppose you can answer that in many ways. But the way I sort of look at it, if you completely remove yourself from a character, actually no, sorry, let me answer. I think it's very difficult to completely remove yourself from being a character, because no matter how much we might try to fully become something else, there will always be small little elements of ourselves, whether that be the way we talk, whether that be the way we look, how we hold things, how we sit, how the little idiosyncratic sort of things. And I also believe that putting yourself in a character gives it new elements that might not have been found before, new different shades of what a character might be. So me personally, I always try to see, is there a way I can become this character and apply my own person to it, my own being?
It's both. I feel like mentally, because I find things that I can relate to her, I feel like I'm able to get into her skin, but there will always be like problems that I'll come across playing any character, which I find quite hard. But costumes really help me. And like I said, when you're on stage and you do something accidentally, sometimes taking that helps with the character.